Hello students, it is my pleasure to introduce Mental Health Now, a new initiative on campus offered by the College of Public Health and Human Sciences in partnership with Sparrow, Professional Development and Counseling Center. Mental Health Now is an open forum for undergraduate and graduate students where they get to pick the topics to cultivate hope in the wake of current events, where they can find community and connection, and where they can learn tools for managing things like anxiety and depression and cultivating hope and direction. Held over 10 weeks, we'll talk, learn, and hopefully laugh a lot as we uncover vital tools for you and our community with the mental health support that we need right now. Click the link below for more information on meeting times and places for the upcoming term. I can't wait to see you there.